channel. My name is Jayeeta Mazumder. This is the first video of my channel. At present I am a full-time mom. I'm always passionate about painting, DIY projects, decorating rooms in a budget without spending lots of money. So finally I have decided to share my thoughts, my journey with all of you guys. So today I am going to make a tray using some rope and a mirror. But before moving to that video, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and don't forget to press the bell icon. So whenever I upload any video, you can get the notification. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, my tray is ready. Let it dry for at least 1 day or 12 hours so that glue stick well. Now you can use this tray for anything like keeping watch or anything jewelry. I'm keeping jewelries over here because I want to show off my beautiful jewelry. Hope you guys enjoy